All right, so this is a set of pendant lights. Now I'm just doing an unboxing. There's nothing else on this box. Let's open it up. See what we have. All right, Ken and Ricky. So some nice installation instructions here. Always good. And then some foam. Oh wow, not what I was expecting. Okay, now I see a little bit. So screws that you'd need, and then this part would mount to your ceiling. That would then come, yeah, that's it for the box. That would hang from your ceiling, and then you'd be able to just put you a bulb right in here. And this has a little bit of rotating it can do. Look at that, looking fancy. Like I said, this would mount up to your ceiling and would hang down to hold this item for you. So, you know, it'd look something like that, hanging down from your ceiling. So that'll essentially do it for this Ken and Ricky pendant light unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.